Hey family, welcome back to my channel. Here is Rema Healthy Way. So today in this video I am going to share with us on how I prepare my donut at home, Ghanaian donut. So let's begin. So in my mixing bowl I have all-purpose flour, some salt to taste, baking powder, and also nutmeg. Then I'm going to make sure I mix everything together and set it aside. So at this point I'm going to prepare my wet ingredients. So I'm using butter lard. I'm going to use some eggs and also add some vanilla extract. Then my next ingredient is evaporated milk and my sugar. I almost forgot my sugar, but hey. So since my butter lard is not a melted one, it's just going to be like this for some time until I add my my dry ingredients, and everything will just be okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients.
Making ghanaian dishes, building natural beauty, making fertility boosting smoothies, berries, go there for your table, cutie.
After this, I'm going to add the second part of my wet ingredient to it and reach my desired, or to reach my desired consistency. Note that you can use any butter of choice, okay? I chose butter lard because I love to. So my dough or my mixture is perfect and my consistency is on point. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to get my oil ready to fry. So at this point, for me, I always test my oil before I go for frying. Then it shows my oil is ready to fry. So what I'm going to do is to scoop my donut into the oil.
Smoothies, making ghanaian dishes, building natural beauty, making fertility boosting smoothies, berries, go there for your table, cutie. Do we natural things? Do we natural things? Daniels on the beat. With berries, healthy, homemade smoothies, cutie, smoothies, making ghanaian dishes, building natural beauty, making fertility boosting smoothies, berries, go there for your table, cutie. Do we natural things? Do we natural things? Daniels on the beat.
So guys, at this point, if you're not part of my YouTube family already, you want to click on that subscribe button. You want to turn on the bell notification icon. Anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified by YouTube. So thank you very much for joining me today. And also, I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. I love you guys. Thank you for your support and everything. And until I come your way again next time, here is Rema Healthy Way Earth. Bye.
Go there for your table, cutie. Do it natural.